All right, this video is going to go over Module 1, Homework 1, number 24. And it says solve the equation y equals 3 over 5 minus x, and we're going to solve it for x. We're trying to get x by itself. Let me go to my camera real quick. All right, so I just wrote out the problem. Let's try to get x by itself. So x is down here in the denominator. So let's go ahead and try to get it out of the denominator. So if it's saying 3 divided by 5 minus x, I can multiply both sides by 5 minus x. Oops. And that way those 5 minus x's cancel out and we can get rid of the x in the denominator is our main thing. So now, if we have 5 minus x times y equals 3, let's go ahead and let's distribute this y. So we can do 5 times y, which is 5y, minus x times y, which is xy, equals 3. Getting closer. Now we want to try to get x by itself. So because we want to try to get x by itself, let's move this 5y to the other side. So it's positive 5y. So that means if we subtract 5y from both sides, 5y minus 5y cancels out. We are left over with negative x times y equals 3 minus 5y. Lastly, we're trying to get x by itself. I have negative xy, so the negative times x times y. So let's get rid of that negative. The negative is being multiplied, so that means we can divide both sides by negative or by negative 1. Let's just do negative. And then we can divide both sides by that y as well. So we can essentially divide both sides by negative y. That way the negatives cancel out and the y's cancel out. So we are left over with x equals 3 over 5y divided by negative y. Now, some people want to leave it just like this, and that's totally fine. If you want to simplify it further, you can as well and say, okay, they're both being divided by negative y. So we have 3 divided by negative y minus 5y divided by negative y. That way I can simplify this and say, okay, bringing that negative out front, negative 3 over y. 2 negatives cancel out to become positive. My y's also cancel out, so we're just left with plus 5. So that's fine too. So let's plug this into our plug this into the homework and then go from there. All right, so let's see if it'll let us do the first one. So say if we had a fraction and we have 3 minus 5y all over negative y. Let's see if it'll take that. Okay, so, oops, sorry, it says solve the equation. Write your answer as the equation. I'm supposed to read the directions. I always say to read the directions, and then here I am. So x equals, because we try to get x by itself, 3 minus 5y divided by negative y. So again, and your answer as an equation isolated with x. So x equals. And there we go. That works. And that again is Module 1, Homework 1, number 24. Hope that helps. Thanks.